Hi, and welcome to the introduction of the MA Global Collaborative Design Practice, a unique transnational course delivered jointly by Camberwell College of Arts at the University of the Arts London and Kyoto Institute of Technology. We're Barbara Mueller, course leader at UAL.
And Ryo Terui, course leader at KIT.
And Gergely Barna, co-course leader at KIT.
Together, we are excited to introduce you to this innovative and interdisciplinary master's program. This is a two-year dual degree course that brings together students from two distinct cultural and academic contexts, London and Kyoto. Each student will spend time studying in person at both institutions, gaining access to diverse communities and perspectives.
So why choose MA Global Collaborative Design Practice? This course pushes design beyond the creative industries into strategic interdisciplinary roles that address real-world social and environmental challenges. You will work with rights holders and beneficiaries and engage with professional practice, graduating with dual degrees, a Master of Arts from UAL and a Master of Engineering from KIT. UAL and KIT offer complementary strengths, UAL in design and fine art and KIT in science, technology, and engineering. At UAL, you will be part of a vibrant design and fine art ecosystem, including courses like MA Designer Maker, MA Interior Spatial Design, and MA Computational Arts.
At KIT, you will engage with disciplines such as architecture, materials science, and engineering design, and work closely with the Kyoto Design Lab, a hub for innovation and experimentation. You will also collaborate with wider postgraduate communities at both universities. Let's take a look at the course structure. We are now walk you through selected units and show examples of students' work before sharing details on how to apply and available opportunities.
Unit 1 is called Global and Collaborative and is led by UAL. On the unit, you will explore intersections in the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals, responding to complex problems through speculative design. You will develop collaborative and intercultural skills and learn to articulate your ideas through storytelling and prototyping.
Unit 4 is called Making and Design, and it's led by KIT. Here you will explore the ethics and practices of making using analog and digital tools. You will develop technological and craft-based skills, reflect on material choices, and consider how your design decisions relate to broader cultural and environmental contexts.
Unit 6, Major Design Project, shared by UL and KIT. This is the opportunity to read a project that responds to societal challenges of your choosing. You will design your own inquiry framework, conduct immersive research, and collaborate with peers and external partners from industry to community organizations.
And here are some examples of past student work. Tending Together by Chaha Taka explores storytelling for multi-species food futures. Shared Spots, Shared City by Risa Miyamoto and Queenie Yan investigates co-design for shared practices of care across London and Kyoto. And Incense Side Dialogue by Kaining He uses craft to support consciousness raising in women's groups. You can explore more student work and upcoming events on our archive website. It was developed in collaboration with Zitterwerk Foundation, a specialist dynamic order materials archive, and launched as part of our Symposium on Archival Practices. You're welcome to join any future public course events like this one. And here is the link to our archive website.
We are looking for students who are motivated to direct design practice towards social and environmental impact and who are ready to engage with complex collaborative challenges. Applications include a video submission, personal statement, and portfolio. And of course, You will have opportunities for fieldwork exchanges, internships, and collaboration across the postgraduate community. Graduates go on to pursue PhD study, launch startups, or work in industry and beyond.
Scholarships are available for both home and international students. Check the UAL scholarship search tool for details and follow us on social media at Camberwell UAL and at UAL_MA_GCDP. Thank you for watching.